I've been exploring the Schwab Intelligent Portfolios platform for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review of this robo-advisor service in 2025. I'll cover everything from key features to potential risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is the right fit for your investment journey. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is an automated investment service from Charles Schwab, designed to help you build a diversified portfolio effortlessly. It uses advanced algorithms to recommend personalized investment strategies based on your goals, risk tolerance, and timeline. Plus, it rebalances your portfolio automatically to keep it aligned with your targets. One of its standout features is that there are no advisory fees for the basic service, which is a big win for cost-conscious investors. You only pay the underlying ETF expenses, making it a competitive option in the robo-advisor space. For those looking for an extra layer of guidance, Schwab also offers Schwab Intelligent Portfolios Premium, which comes with unlimited one-on-one guidance from a certified financial planner. But keep in mind, this does come at an added cost. However, it's worth noting some drawbacks. The platform tends to hold a relatively high cash allocation in its portfolios, which can impact overall returns, especially in lower interest environments. Some users have expressed concerns about this approach, feeling that it may not maximize their investment potential. When it comes to account options, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios supports a wide range, including IRAs, individual and joint accounts, and trusts, offering flexibility for different investors. Integration with Schwab's broader ecosystem also means you get seamless access to banking services and a robust customer support system. Overall, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is a solid choice if you're looking for a hands-off, low-cost investing solution with the backing of a reputable institution. But as always, make sure to consider your personal financial goals and perhaps consult with a financial expert before making any decisions. Well, that's it for this review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next deep dive. See you in the next one.